What if I told you that most people lose money before they ever make their first investment? Not because they're unlucky, not because they aren't smart, but because nobody ever taught them the rules. In this video, you'll learn 7 simple investing rules that can help you avoid expensive mistakes and build wealth with confidence. Stay until the end. The final rule is the one that many beginners overlook, and it can shape every investment decision you make from today forward. Let's get started. 7 investing rules every beginner must know before buying anything. Rule number 1. Invest before you spend. Most people invest whatever money is left at the end of the month. Successful investors do the opposite. They invest first. Then they build the rest of their budget around that decision. It doesn't matter whether you start with $10 or $100. What matters is building the habit. Every investment is a step toward financial independence. Every month you stay consistent, you're giving your money more time to grow. Don't wait for the perfect income. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have. Stay consistent. Your future wealth begins with the decision you make today. Rule number 2. Never invest money you'll need soon. Every investment needs time. Markets move up. Markets move down. That's normal. If you're investing money meant for rent, bills, or emergencies, every market drop will feel like a disaster. Smart investors avoid that pressure. They build an emergency fund first. Then they invest money they can leave alone. That's what gives them confidence during uncertain times. Patience isn't just part of investing. It's one of the biggest advantages you'll ever have. Give your investments time. And let time work for you, not against you. Rule number 3. Understand what you own. Never buy an investment just because it's popular. Social media can create excitement. Headlines can create urgency. But neither replaces research. Before you invest, ask one simple question. Why does this investment have value? Learn how it works. Understand its risks. Know what could help it grow over time. The more you understand your investments, the less likely you are to panic when markets become uncertain. Smart investors don't follow the crowd. They follow knowledge. And knowledge leads to better decisions. Rule number 4. Diversification is protection. Never depend on a single investment to build your future. Even great companies face difficult times. Markets change. Economies change. That's why experienced investors spread their money across different assets. Diversification won't eliminate risk, but it can reduce the damage when one investment performs poorly. Think of your portfolio as a team. Every asset has a purpose. Together, they create a stronger foundation. Smart investing isn't about finding one perfect investment. It's about building a portfolio that can survive different market conditions. Rule number 5. Time beats timing. Many beginners spend months waiting for the perfect moment to invest. They wait for lower prices. They wait for better news. They wait until they feel certain. But while they wait, time keeps moving. Successful investors know they can't predict every market move. Instead, they invest consistently. They let time and discipline do the work. Every month you delay is one less month for your investments to grow. Don't chase perfect timing. Build consistent habits. In the long run, time is often your greatest advantage. Rule number 6. Control your emotions. Investing is as much about psychology as it is about money. When prices rise, many investors become overconfident. When prices fall, fear takes over. Both emotions can lead to expensive mistakes. Successful investors don't react to every headline. They trust their strategy. They stay focused on their long-term goals. Market volatility is normal. Emotional decisions are optional. Stay calm. Stay disciplined. Remember, Your greatest investment advantage isn't predicting the market. It's controlling your own behavior. Rule number 7. Never stop learning. The best investors are lifelong students. Markets evolve. Businesses change. New opportunities appear every year. The more you learn, the better your decisions become. Read books. Study great investors. Learn from your mistakes. And never let one bad investment stop you from improving. Knowledge is one asset that no market crash can ever take away from you. Now, let's bring these 7 rules together. Invest before you spend. Never invest money you'll need soon. Understand what you own. Diversify your portfolio. Let time work for you. Control your emotions. And never stop learning. None of these rules will make you rich overnight. That's not how real wealth is built. Real wealth grows through discipline, through patience, through consistency. Every successful investor started exactly where you are today. They didn't know everything. They simply decided to begin. Your financial future won't change because you watched one video. It will change because you apply what you've learned. One good decision becomes another. One investment becomes many. And over time, small actions can create extraordinary results. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have. Stay consistent. Keep learning. And let time become your greatest financial partner. If you found value in today's video, subscribe to The Wealth Lion and join thousands of viewers who are learning how to build lasting wealth through smart investing and financial discipline. Leave a comment below. Which of these 7 rules will you apply first? Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep investing, keep learning, and keep building the life you deserve. ****